Have you ever dreamt of a secure and fulfilling career in a government job? A dream shared by many, yet the journey to its realization often seems like navigating a labyrinth. The complex landscape of opportunities, the daunting applications, and the rigorous preparation. It's easy to feel lost. But sometimes, all it takes is a beacon to guide the way, to connect our dreams with the right opportunities. This is where our protagonist's story begins, on the platform of SarkariJobsWork.online. Upon entering SarkariJobsWork.online, a whole new world of opportunities opened up. Our aspirant found more than just a job listing site. It was a comprehensive platform designed to guide, inspire, and empower. The vast array of meticulously curated government job listings was just the tip of the iceberg. What truly set SarkariJobsWork.online apart were the insightful articles, expert guidance, and motivational content that went beyond the standard fare of job portals. The user-friendly interface, intuitive and easy to navigate, allowed our job seeker to explore these resources at their own pace, making the overwhelming task of job hunting less daunting. They could tailor their exploration based on their qualifications, aspirations, and areas of interest, turning the vast sea of opportunities into a navigable river. And so, our job seeker began their journey, fueled with newfound hope and guidance, ready to conquer the challenges that lay ahead. More than just job listings, SarkariJobsWork.online offered expert advice and motivational content. It was like a compass to a lost traveler, shining a light on the otherwise intricate and often overwhelming world of government job applications. The platform is not just a job board, but also a mentor, providing a wealth of insights into the various aspects of the application process. From drafting compelling resumes and cover letters to cracking interviews, SarkariJobsWork.online had it all. The expert advice available on the platform was a game changer, distilling complex information into easy-to-understand tips and strategies. But it wasn't just about the practical aspects. The motivational content on SarkariJobsWork.online played a vital role in stoking the fires of determination and resilience. It served as a reminder that success was not just about qualifications or experience, but also about grit, persistence, and the will to overcome obstacles. This content was not just inspiring, it was empowering, providing just the right amount of push when the going got tough. Beyond that, the platform also offered personalized guidance, tailored to the unique needs and aspirations of each job seeker. It was like having a personal career coach guiding the job seeker at every step of the journey. With these resources, the path to success became clearer and more attainable. SarkariJobsWork.online was not just a tool, it was a partner in the journey toward a fulfilling government job. It transformed an arduous journey into a guided expedition, making the dream of landing a government job not just a possibility, but a reality. Armed with insights and determination, the job applications began to take form. With SarkariJobsWork.online as their guide, the process of applying for jobs became a journey of exploration and learning. Each job listing was carefully scrutinized, each requirement meticulously matched, and each application tailored to perfection. The platform's resources became instrumental in this process, shedding light on the nuances of crafting a compelling resume. The key was to highlight relevant skills and experiences, making each application stand out among the sea of competitors. But the journey didn't end with sending out applications. Interview preparation was the next crucial step. SarkariJobsWork.online provided invaluable advice, tips, and techniques that turned the daunting task of facing an interview panel into an opportunity to shine. With every application sent and every interview faced, the dream of securing a government job came within reach. Each application sent out was a step closer to the dream. And then the day arrived, the offer letter was in hand. After countless hours spent meticulously crafting applications, honing interview skills, and staying informed about job openings, the fruit of the labor was finally realized. The joy, the exhilaration, the sense of accomplishment was overwhelming. The dream of securing a coveted government job, once a distant star, was now a tangible reality. All those late nights spent exploring the treasure trove of SarkariJobsWork.online, reading insightful articles, following expert advice, and staying motivated by success stories had paid off. The beacon that guided through the complex landscape of job opportunities had proven its worth. SarkariJobsWork.online had not only served as a platform for job listings, but had become a mentor, a guide, a catalyst in making this dream come true. The journey had been challenging, but the triumph was sweet. A dream became a reality, a testament to the power of determination and the right guidance. In the words of our now successful government employee, let's hear the heartfelt expression of gratitude and the appreciation for SarkariJobsWork.online. When I embarked on my journey, I was just another aspirant with a dream, they begin. But SarkariJobsWork.online transformed me into a confident candidate ready to seize my destiny. The platform didn't just provide job listings, it became my guide, my mentor, my constant companion in the pursuit of my dream. They continue. The success tips, the motivational content, the expert advice, they all fueled my determination. They helped me navigate the complex labyrinth of government job applications, making the process less daunting and more achievable. In conclusion, they share, today as a proud government employee, I owe my success to SarkariJobsWork.online. It was the bridge that led me from aspiration to achievement. Their success story is one of many, a beacon of hope for all job seekers. What about your dream? Are you ready to write your success story? Let's take a moment to ponder this. Every journey begins with a single step, and in the realm of career aspirations, that step could be as simple as visiting SarkariJobsWork.online. This platform can serve as your guiding light, illuminating the path towards your dream government job. Imagine a world where the complex landscape of job opportunities is simplified, where you have a treasure trove of government job listings at your fingertips, where expert guidance is just a click away. That world exists, and it's called SarkariJobsWork.online. Remember, success isn't achieved overnight. It's the result of persistent efforts, strategic planning, and utilizing the right resources. And SarkariJobsWork.online is committed to supporting you throughout this journey. So, what are you waiting for? Embark on your journey towards a government job or career advancement. Visit SarkariJobsWork.online and let your success story unfold. Your journey awaits.